Introducing Nissan. Is your Nissan Juke's alarm constantly blaring? The most common culprits are the door latch switch and key fob battery. A faulty door latch switch, often due to wear, dirt, or corrosion, especially in humid climates, sends incorrect signals to the body control module, triggering the alarm. The key fob's CR2032 battery might be weak, causing intermittent signals that the BCM misinterprets as unauthorized access. We'll show you how to tackle these issues directly, reducing false alarms and keeping your Juke secure. Begin by inspecting and cleaning your door latch switches. Look for corrosion or damage and lubricate them annually to prevent false alarms. Next, replace your key fob battery. Low voltage reduces signal reliability, so use a fresh CR2032 battery. If issues persist, try an alarm reset by cycling the ignition and using the fob to clear learned faults. For a full reset, disconnect the car battery for 10 to 15 minutes to clear all systems. If problems continue, visit a dealership for diagnostic using Nissan's Consult software. Check for BCM error codes like B1060 or U1000, especially in older models. Finally, check for software updates released by Nissan in late 2024 for newer models, which include enhanced alarm diagnostics.